pause everything. I've cracked the code with a free TradingView strategy, and guess what? It only involves 2 indicators. Let's dive into how it works. Hello traders, in this video we're not beating around the bush. Hit the subscribe button and smash that like button. First things first, navigate to the TradingView website. We're going to add some indicators to our chart. For the first one, we're using the pivot high-low line indicator. So type in pivot high-low line. And it's this indicator right here by Dizer. Add that to your chart. Next, click on the settings for this indicator and let's make a few adjustments. The pivot high-low line is a powerful tool that draws support and resistance lines based on the pivot points in the market. These lines act as barriers that the price action tries to break. When these pivot support and resistance lines breaks out, it's our cue to enter buy or sell trades. But wait a minute, a bullish breakout is valid if after the breakout with a green candle, another green candle confirms it. And similarly, a bearish breakout is valid if after the breakout with a red candle, another red candle confirms it. Now for the second indicator, we're heading back up to the indicators, and this time let's add the CMAC custom indicator by Chris Moody. Next, click on the settings for this indicator and let's make a few adjustments. The CMAC custom indicator is our compass in the trading world. It has various states that guide us. When the histogram is green and above the midpoint, it's a sign of a bullish market gaining traction. On the other hand, if the histogram is white and above the midpoint, it indicates the market is still bullish, but it's a signal for us to pause on making a trade. And if the histogram turns red and drops below the midpoint, it's a sign of a bearish market picking up speed. However, if the histogram is white and below the midpoint, it indicates a bearish market, but it's a signal for us to hold off on making a trade. In essence, the CMAC custom indicator is our guide to understanding market trends and deciding when to make a move or sit back. So, are you ready to revolutionize your trading strategy? Let's get started and talk about the rules for entering a trade. For a sell trade, first ensure there's a valid bearish breakout in the market. Then check the CMAC custom indicator to confirm the signal based on its color and position. So now, if both these conditions are met, you can enter a sell trade. Remember, setting a stop loss is crucial. You can set this based on the recent swing. And when it comes to your target, aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And now to initiate a long trade, start by confirming a valid bullish breakout in the market. Next, cross-verify with the CMAC custom indicator based on its color and position. So if both these conditions align, you're all set to enter a long trade. And don't forget, it's essential to set a stop loss, which can be based on the recent swing. As for your target, strive for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Alright, let's see how this strategy performs when put to the test. We ran a backtest on the Bitcoin chart with a 15-minute time frame, and the outcomes was quite remarkable. Out of 100 trades, the strategy boosted a solid win rate of 82%. What's more, it generated an impressive profit of 367% in just under 10 weeks. These results truly highlighted the potency of this trading strategy. But wait, I've recently got a strategy that could be the perfect fit for you. It's user-friendly and holds the promise of profitability. Don't miss this opportunity to take your trading to the next level.